Here I have VIVO V20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to go to the upper bar, and here you have this option, eye protection. Tap on this button once and you can switch this mode by holding your finger on it. You can also access some of its settings. You can change its intensity here. You can set up a custom schedule for it, like you can set up your custom time, or you can just set it from sunset to sunrise. And that's like all the options for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.